To reverse a melody in FL Studio, follow these steps. First, listen to the melody that you intend to reverse to familiarize yourself with it. Next, open up the piano roll. Locate the wrench tool within the piano roll interface and click on it. Select Flip from the options presented. This action will open a small menu with two options. Choose Flip horizontally and then click Accept. You can now close the piano roll. Afterward, right-click on the pattern corresponding to your audio clip. This might be labeled as Pattern 6 or something similar. From the context menu that appears, select Render and Replace. A menu will pop up. Locate the Tail option and make sure that it is set to Wrap Reminder. After that, click on Start to proceed with the rendering process. Once the rendering is complete, double-click on your audio file. This will open up the tweaking settings for your audio clip. In the tweaking settings, locate the Reverse option and enable it. And there you have it. You have successfully reversed your melody in FL Studio. Feel free to give it a listen to hear the reversed melody in action. With these simple steps, you can easily reverse any melody in FL Studio.